Move-in ready. New roof installed in April, new hot water heater installed in July, custom built-in hardwood cabinets in living room, 5.1 in ceiling surround sound, willing to leave the entire system, both bathrooms have been totally remodeled, granite countertops throughout, kitchen remodeled with granite countertops, new backsplash, and under cabinet lighting, Ethernet connections in living room and bedrooms, smart thermostat, alarm system, exterior lights on timer, laminate wood floors throughout, crown molding throughout, all LED lights and LED light fixtures.